Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to solve storage space running out problem. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Chrome browser. Now here you can see three dots. You have to press on this. Now click on settings. Now scroll down. Now here you can see site settings. You have to click on it. Now scroll down. Now you can see here data stored. Press on this. If you are facing space running out problem, then you just have to delete all data. Press on delete. So this is how to solve storage space running out problem. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.